मस्त हो रही है हमारी गाड़ी। अरे ओ भैया यू कहाँ है? ये क्या चल रहा है भाई? भाई झरना तो गाड़ी के भीतर। ये कहाँ स्पीकरों में से पानी? क्या है ये?
That was Arun Pawar with his new Mahindra Scorpio N, accusing Mahindra of poor build quality. A popular auto influencer with a massive online following. His accusatory video triggered a waterfall of negativity for Mahindra. This cascading crisis began to flow far and wide. It threatened to erode Mahindra Scorpio N's hard-earned brand reputation. If not handled properly, this moment would be terminal for the brand. The challenge: how do you credibly respond to a flood of negativity? And how do you safeguard brand perception and sales without losing a single weekend? A closer look at Arun Pawar's video reveals something shocking. The leak was deliberate. He had kept the window and sunroof slightly open. This was a malicious attempt to gain views at the cost of Mahindra's reputation. A quick response was needed. The insight: a single proof in action is more powerful than 1,000 words of denial. The big idea: Scorpio N takes the Pani Pariksha. Same waterfall, same car, same torture test. Within 5 days, we washed away all the mud slung at Mahindra. Turns out, you don't need a carefully worded PR statement or a defamation lawsuit. All you need is some quick, out-of-the-box thinking.